So this is a lead capture page, a dynamic one, which means I need only one such page in order to promote anything. So anything on the internet is a lead magnet. So here how it works. Here you have the default page. It just says welcome to my contact list. To receive your welcome gift, please enter your email address and press continue. Okay, so you see this image is just artificially generated image of a face, so it can be anyone. I could use another things which makes a cat or an abstract art piece, whatever. We can put your photo here, doesn't matter, because this is a default page and it's hardly being used. Most often we will use it to promote, for instance, this, to promote a link. So the page here, the picture is of the link. This is a link to google.com, but it could be from a blog article to any site, and it will have the image here. And here you can change the title dynamically also. So you could say go to Google, but by default this link is reserved to my contacts. To access this link, please add your email address to my contact list and press continue. Also, you can use it with YouTube videos. So any YouTube videos don't have to be yours, and you send people to watch this video. So the page takes the title of the video, the thumbnails of the video, and also the name of the channel, and he puts it here, so you don't have to do anything. This all happens in the URL of the page. When you put the link to this page, you add the ID of the YouTube video or the link to a page, and this lead capture page will change depending on what you have given. And if you give nothing, you have the default page, so this one. So you see, the lead magnet is the things you send people to. From your Facebook profile, you say, oh, just watch this video about this. You send the link not to the video on YouTube, but to this capture page. And then they see this and they want to watch it because they already have clicked on your link on Facebook to watch it. They go to this page, they want to watch it, they put their email address and they continue. What happens after? Once they continue, they go to another page with a button and which says click on this button to see what you wanted. And so this button is dynamic. It knows what the visitor was looking for. So in this case, it was the video on YouTube, this one. So the button on the next page will have the link to YouTube to see this video. This is the idea. It works for any link. And yes, but so now that we have established this, the good things about this is that this is a magic funnel. If you know Builderall, so this is made with Builderall, of course, but it's a magic funnel. So when people enter their email address, they immediately get the free Builderall account, and they are also added into my email list, and then they go to the next page. So what is interesting with this is that on the next page you have the dynamic button to get to the destination, but also you can talk about the gift you have given them, which is a free Builderall account, so they can try it and see if they like it. So you know, on the next page you have the gift that you give to everyone who enter into your contact list, and of course they start to receive emails that you have set up in Mailing Boss 5 in the email sequence. So you know, everything is fine with this. It's a good way to do even rapid profit machine. You know, rapid profit machine. Maybe I will show you in another video how to set up in such a way that as soon as you open a free Builderall account to someone, then they also get added into the lead list of RPM, of rapid profit machine. So they get as a gift both things. They are already integrated into Builderall and they are started in RPM, which, as you know, RPM works best with Builderall to handle the email marketing and also to have a digital platform to do things for promoting RPM. You know, it's all is tangled together. It's connected. Like on the picture, neural link. It's all connecting minds and connecting software products. So Builderall, RPM, and this leads capture page, because you want to grow your own mailing list, but also you want to have more leads for Builderall and more leads for Rapid Profit Machine. So you do all at once with this page, which is dynamic, so you can use the same page for anything you want. You don't have to create lead magnets, because the World Wide Web is full of lead magnets. So you can use this, and I suggest you do. So you can contact me if you want it, or you can do it yourself if you know how to do it. But there is a little bit of code inside, which you can see. It's not hidden, it's in the source code. So you go to build and roll, like rock and roll, buildandroll.com. You see this page, you look at the source, you can see the script. It's all JavaScript, so it's all written in the page. Bye bye.